Hi, today I would be answering one of your questions in the comment section of my video, as well as showing you my upcoming training in the Dvent Craft Academy. But before we proceed, I'm Nkechi from Dvent, showing you how to make unique, lovely fascinator designs. And here today, this is the question I'll be answering. You said, can we make use of stiffener instead of top bond to mold with pad? Okay, so before I answer your question, if you have not subscribed to this great channel of mine, as you can see, I answer your questions in the comment section of my video, so you can see I give you value. So do pause this video right now, click the subscribe button and the bell so you are notified when I answer your questions, because you will see all the new videos that are being released. So let's dive into today's tutorial. So we'll be needing an empty bowl, yes, then your water, then your thumb tag, that's what I gave, then this is your stiffener, this is our mold already covered with nylon and covered with an oil base. I use Soulmate, and this is the pad and the bridal satin for the underneath. So the first thing you have to do is to open up the top bond if it is still sealed. Mine was still sealed, I just got it. Oh, sorry, not top bond, stiffener. You know, I'm used to using top bond with what do you call it, with the pad or interfacing or wording, whatever you call it. I think they call it patchwork online. Okay, so you pour out some stiffener, then you take your water and then you mix it like so. But because it is pad, which is like foam, you know, you will need to use more stiffener. Now that's why I say I use top bond instead of stiffener, because stiffener is quite watery already, and you have to, what do you call it, use much because the pad soaks a lot. Do you understand? Okay, so I added more because I can see it would not be hard enough. You need to watch the texture to ensure that it would stiffen well. I added a little water again. It's kind of, you have to just be checking it. Okay, keep watching and learning. You see the texture? Okay, that's okay now. So I take the first layer you're going to put, which is the bridal satin or any other material. You can use the same material you put on top of the pad for underneath too, so it looks kind of, you know, more polished. Okay, so that's what I'll do. I've already put an oil base on the nylon. So if you're using bridal satin, you have to check for the shining part. The smooth part is the shining part, so that's the part you place to face down. The rough part will face up. So now I'm putting the stiffener on the pad, and you will see how it will just take everything. So that is the reason I use top bond, because it's less expensive than stiffener. That's what I feel. So I feel it's more economical to use it. Okay, so I'm doing that so it spreads all around, and I'm sure that it has touched all the area of the pad. So once I'm done, I place it on top. You can see it's almost the same. In fact, it is the same process with using top bond. It's quicker in mixing because the stiffener is already mixed with water. So now we do our what? Are you shouting with me? North, south, east, and west. Okay, so you know the other place to do. If you want to see how you proceed with that, you just go to this particular video that I recorded and I've put up for you, and you watch the remaining part. So the link will be up, and as well as in the description of this video I'll put the link on how to make it completely. And this was actually the design I made with the one I made with stiffener. So you see it came out well. I'm sorry I don't have the video for it. It was a work I needed to rush with, and as I say, when I'm making a work that I'm rushing with to video at the same time, it actually takes more time, so my apologies on that. So now let's jump into the Dvent Craft Academy Fascinator Class 3. Yes, it's coming out. It's being premiered on the 23rd of October 2021. So the objective of this class is: 1, you will get to know how to cover up an emirate cap with material, how to bead the emirate cap, how to bead the hat wire, how to make a satellite fascinator like this, how to mold a flat cinnamon fascinator, how to make cinnamon loops, how to make cinnamon bias, how to mold a teardrop fascinator, how to make a fascinator veil stand, how to dye a fascinator veil, and much more. So do head up to the description of this video and you would see a link for the Dvent Craft Academy training reception. Click there and make your request for the Dvent Craft Fascinator Class 3. We do also hold free trainings there sometimes, almost like every other weekend when we're not having a paid training. We do hold some free trainings, like we've heard what are the things you need to know about millinery wire. We have learned how to make a website with WhatsApp business. We have also learned about crinoline. We've learned how to make a foldable hand fan and much more. So for staying with me till the very end of this video, for 7 people that said they stayed till the very end, you get to pay half the price of the Fascinator Class 3. So do let me know in the comment section of this video. Just say, I stayed till the very end, please my gift. Like that. I stayed till the very end, please my gift. And then you will get to have your gift. So till we see in my next video, is goodbye and God bless. Thanks once more for watching and staying with me. Alright, see you then. Bye.